This time we will learn about how to break line in ZWCAD. There are two break in ZWCAD. Break and break at point. Let's create a line. Type break to activate break command. Choose break and press enter or choose command in the list. Now click at the line with different side. The line will break at that point. Create new object and try by yourself this command. There are a special case for circle that you need to look at it. You will found the different when you put the first point and the other point. Now type break to activate break command. Choose break at point from the command list. Pick the existing line. The line will break at that point only. Try repeatedly to more understand this tool.
Subscribe, like and share if this video useful. Thanks for watching.